The altcoin season is heating up so hard. Here are three altcoins with great fundamentals, great team, great partnership, and investors that are ready to rocket to the upside. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the objective, non-emotional, and technical analysis of these coins, my entry and exit strategies, and why I think these coins are ready to dish out even 10x and possibly 100x and 1000x. The last one you might not want to miss out. So I encourage you to stay till the end of this video. Welcome to TradeHaven, your sure hotspot for mastering crypto and forex market. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss out on our timely and juicy update. Let's go straight to the chart. Welcome. So the first coin is Hello USD. So here's a weekly chart of Hello USD. You can see I already marked out the earlier 12 count since launch. We had our first wave 1 and wave 2. Here's our wave 3, wave 4, and then a wave 5. And now I also mark out the different break of structure on the weekly time frame and even down to the daily time frame. So if you look closely, we had this first break of structure, another break of structure to the upside for our wave 5, and now we have been having this corrective move to the downside. These are ABC to the downside, and now if you look closely, if you are to drop to the monthly time frame, you also see the same break of structure to the upside, and also like our wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and a wave 5 to the upside, and then the corrective wave ABC to the downside. And now we had a bounce from this monthly point of interest, and if you look closely, you will see that this move we had here is bigger than the move we've had so far, the attempt at buy we had so far since this whole move to the downside. If you look at it closely, you see that this candle engulfed all of them. So this is more like our balance of price, and it also engulfed this place. There's a change of character. If we step down to weekly or daily time frame, also there's more like a change of character in this place also. So based on this, let's drop to the weekly time frame. You see the same thing, that yes, this whole move is bigger than all this move, which is more like a overbalance of price, a change of character, and a reaction from this monthly point of interest. So what we are looking out for, we've been waiting for, is a retracement into the 61% or 78% retracement ratio. So you can see from the 61% retracement ratio, we are bouncing off of it, and we are having our first buy candle since the wave C. So this is more like our ABC of wave of this correction. So this point, and also why I'm taking my entry right now also is because of this breaker block here. You know, ever since we've been having our break of structure to the downside, look at this break of structure. We are to, if we were to continue this trend to the downside, this point, this other block here would have been the best point to continue the sell to the downside, but we broke through it. So this other block now is acting as a breaker block for this particular setup. So this breaker block with the 61% retracement ratio in this zone makes this zone a very important zone for us. And remember, these places are a monthly point of interest which price has already bounced off of. So let's quickly drop down to the daily time frame and see what the price look like also. So zooming into this place on daily time frame, you also had all this break of structure to the downside, and now we have an external change of character on daily time frame. And also this whole move that we had to the upside is more of impulsive move. of wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and a wave 5. So we have to make it visible like this. Last, yeah. So this is looking more like our wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and the wave 4 and 5. So if this is correction, so what we should be anticipating next is a follow through to the upside if we are to bounce off of this zone of interest for us to the upside. So based on this many confluence of events that we have in this zone, we are strongly believing that yes, this price has bottomed out here and we should be having a follow through to the upside. And also I want you guys to look at this zone and project the Fibonacci retracement ratio, and you see that this monthly point of interest also fall exactly around the 61% retracement ratio of uh, Fib. Then finally, let's project possible price targets for this particular project. So if we are to say this point is our local low for this particular project, the next target for Hello token is about the 100% retracement of this whole wave, which is our wave 1, and that will put us at about 0.97, almost $1. And currently we are at about 0.08. So if the price is to get up to this point, up to the 100% retracement extension, fib extension. So this is the minimum target we're having. So if this is more like our wave A, B, C, okay, here will be the target. But if it is more like wave 3, we should be expecting it to get to the 1.618 retracement ratio. Sorry, we don't need this. So if we are to extend to the 1.618 retracement ratio, it will put our price at $23, which is a massive profit, which will put us at, even at this point already, we are at about 100x from this entry zone. So smash that buy button for LO token as I already did. So let's quickly look at the next coin, which is ICE network. So here's the uh, daily chart of ICE USD. I already projected the fib retracement ratio for ICE. The price since launched went up to this supply zone, and it came back to this to give this demand zone, and ever since we've been bouncing off of this demand zone, and here is our supply zone. So I'll just quickly take my buy once we get into this zone and uh, sell, take some profit at this point, and I'm expecting a breakout of this zone because this project is really cooking up lately. So I'll not be surprised if the next attempt at this supply zone is going to lead to a breakout of this zone, and I'll be targeting the 1.618 zone as a take profit zone, which will put this project at exactly 10x from this zone. So here is will be my targets, and my stop loss will be somewhere around here. So if I'm to take this trade, this will be my entry and exit strategy. So the last coin will be Injective projects, which I'm so super bullish on. So here's a weekly chart of Injective token. And if you look closely, we've had our wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and here's our wave 4 correction. And we are currently bouncing off and anticipating a final wave 5 to the upside to give us this leading diagonal pattern. Because of how this project is still in the early phase, we are having more like a leading diagonal pattern. And if you look at this wave 1, it's also broken down into a 5-wave structure too. And the wave 2, you can see it's broken down into an ABC correction, ABC. Then wave 3, we had an impulsive wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside too. You can see it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside. And also the wave 4, we have our ABC. So currently what we are, permit me to drop down to the daily time frame. So currently what we are experiencing is more like wave 5 impulse to the upside. So we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside, and ABC correction, another impulsive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside, ABC up, ABCDE up with 4. And currently we are having an impulse to the upside. This is more like a 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are expecting a 5 that will break this structure. So what we are waiting for confirmation of this trade right now is a wave 5 to the upside that will break this structure, this last local high here, that will confirm that yes, we are due for the upside rally. So once we have that and we have our ABC correction to this zone, we will project based on our target here. We projected that yes, we'll get to the 61% retracement ratio, which might be either this fair value gap zone or this other block here. So whichever way where we see it, we'll wait for our confirmation and we'll take our buy. So where will be our projected target for this particular project? So imagine, so assuming if we are to get into this project at about the $10 mark, we are projecting that yes, we should be having with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside of our wave 5, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 to this last to the trend line resistance level, which will put our price at about the 98 or $99 level. So from $10 to $100 is a very big possibility for Injective token. You can see we already touched the $50 mark already. So $100 for Injective is going to be a small thing. And this project, based on the fundamentals, I will not be surprising this project even up to $200 if Solana can hit 260. So Injective getting to even $500 is not out of the equation. So here are my objective, non-emotional, technical analysis on 3 great projects: the Elo coin, the ICE network, and the Injective token. I hope you got value from this video. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss out on a juicy and timely update. Stay smart. See you in the next video. Bye bye.